everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you how to label for the EPS batch pre-expanding machine before exporting. Actually, I asked a few clients before making this video, and they told me they would love to see those real small tiny work from me in China. Especially during the COVID-19, they are not able to show up here. So if you're not interested in such topic, you can just skip this video. The purpose of labeling is simple, mainly to help our customer to quick and correct assembling the machine based on the electronic working principle drawing. The EPS batch pre-expanding machine needs to be disassembled in order to be loading into the 20 feet container. So, we have labeled each disassembling parts. And some valves and compressor air tubes also need to be disassembling. To help them quick assembling, we remarked valve and we also remarked the valve tubes. So in this case, it's easy to match with them. So you can imagine when our customer receive this machine, they can quickly assembling the machine after they receive it, and they can running the machine as soon as possible, since the machine is already tested in China with the steam and with the EPS raw material. If you want to see more video like this, please hit the like button, and we will know that we are doing the right things. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact with us by email or leave your comments below. See you next video.